Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I want to introduce you to a brand new series that I'm going to start with the Mercedes. It's going to be Bring the Mercedes Back from the Grave. And you guys have seen this video, or you guys have seen this car in the background of my videos. Well, it's been sitting here for the last 5 years, and this is an 83 240D Mercedes diesel. It only has 131,000 miles on it. The story is, about 10, 11 years ago, I had the car repainted and drove it home, parked it in the garage, and it sat here for about 5 years or so. And due to some vehicle circumstances, it had to come outside. And I thought, well, this would be a really good showpiece to do an entire series on. Now, this series obviously is going to apply to the Mercedes diesels, but a lot of the tips and tricks I'm going to show you about bringing a car back from the dead will apply to whether it's a gas or diesel powered vehicle, truck, SUV, it doesn't matter. So I wanted to introduce you guys to that. I'm going to take you around the car. This is the factory paint, or the factory color, I'm sorry. And yeah, the car runs really, or it did when I parked it. It runs really good. It's got it's got all of the original trim. The paint is, you guys are going to be really surprised with what the paint's going to look like when we're done with it. The tire right there, well, it exploded in the driveway, not from running. So it's got a lot of pollen and a lot of junk all over it. It's going to clean up really nice. So this is the project that we're going to be working on. I don't know how long the series is going to take. We're going to take it step by step. The very first thing we're going to try to do is we're going to try to start this car. And again, it hasn't been started in 5 years. It does have the AMSOIL in the engine, the 1540. I don't have any concerns about it turning over. It's not seized or anything, so the engine's in fantastic shape. And yeah, so this is the series. This is what's going to be happening. I'm going to be doing mechanical and detailing. We'll mix it up as we go along. The first thing we got to do is I need to start this car because I need to put it in the garage. So with that being said, I hope you guys will subscribe. Please hit the little bell next to the subscription button, and you'll be notified immediately when I upload new content for the videos to come. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next video.